You can run the Google Apps script from the newly created menu item, but you can also run it from the app script itself. And sometimes it's really useful to run it from the app script when you use the execution log. So you'll notice that in some of the areas within the script, you'll see that there's a logger.log, which basically is tells you what's happening with the function. So I can click on the execution log and then select the function that I want to run, which is the MailMerge function. And then once I do that and I click run, it's going to start the function and run the function for me. And it's going to start giving me information about when the execution started and what happens in each of the rows. So you can see that in the first row, it created a Google Doc with this URL. And then it'll add the next row and tell us what the URL is as well, and so on and so forth. And it'll go through the entire process and let me know when it's fully completed. In fact, if I go into the Google Drive, I actually have each one of those generated documents in the folder. And if I go back, I can see that it just finished the process. I want to run the CreatePdfs option here, and you'll see that that runs much quicker. So it started the process, and I'm going to see that it's generating those documents, and you can see them being added quickly to each of the rows in the spreadsheet. So I have my document link here and the PDF link. So if I click on this PDF document and open it, I can see that this is the document that got created for Jim Monty with this email address. And you'll also notice that the links in here are all active links. You can review the session 1 agenda, and it's going to bring me to the document that has that information in it. Using the execution log in the Google Apps script generator will allow you to see what's going on throughout the entire process.